Hi everyone, my name is Dawn and I'm a naturalist at Eagle Creek Park, and today I'd like to explain how to make pinhole art for the total solar eclipse. To make your pinhole art, you just need a few simple supplies. You need some cardstock or heavy-duty paper, a marker to draw your design, some scissors, tape, a thumbtack, and some aluminum foil. And then last but not least, you want something to protect your surface so you don't scratch it or punch holes in it with your pen. So you could do it on a soft surface like carpet, or I've got some cardboard here to protect my table. For the first step, I'm going to create a frame with my cardstock. And you can use a ruler and trace out the frame first, but I'm just going to freehand it here by folding my cardstock in half and cutting out a rectangle from the middle. Creating a frame. This is just to tape our aluminum foil to keep it nice and straight. So next step, I'm going to measure out a piece of aluminum foil to tape over my cardstock. Let me try that one more time. That's kind of a wonky piece. I can get a straighter piece of aluminum foil that will be easier to cut to my frame shape. That looks a little better. So again, you can use a ruler and make this very precise. I am just going to eyeball it and make some folds where I want to trim my excess aluminum foil to the shape of my frame. There we go. For the next step, I'm just going to tape it to the frame. So all the frame does is keep the aluminum foil from crumpling and holds it in a nice flat position. All right, next I need to decide on my design. So it can be anything you want. You can get very complicated and artistic, or you can keep it simple. I think I will do a sun, and then maybe some words. So let's write eclipse 2024. Now I need to take my push pin and trace my design, making lots of little tiny holes. The aluminum foil is easy to punch holes through, so that's why we're using that. You could also do this right in the cardstock, but aluminum foil is very good at blocking light, so you should get nice, crisp projections of the light when it shines through your little pinholes. All right, here we are, all done. And just for fun, I'm going to make a design on the center of my cardstock that I cut out. For this one, I think I will make a snail. Ta-da! All ready to go. This is a photo of light through pinholes during the partial eclipse in Indianapolis in 2017. Today we'll take our pinhole art outside and test it out on just a regular day, but it will look more like this during a partial eclipse. All right, I have a piece of paper on my sidewalk held down by rocks so it doesn't blow away. And then I'm going to hold my pinhole art with the sun behind it so it projects the pattern onto my paper. And those round projections of the sun during a partial eclipse will become crescent shaped. So you can take a photo of it and have a really fun memory of the eclipse. Here is what my snail looks like. And this was just done through the cardstock. Oh, there goes the sun. But as you can see, that works well in addition to the aluminum foil. So a very simple, fun project to do. And that's all there is to it. Let me know if you try it out and have fun. Alright, so I have a piece of paper held down by rocks so it doesn't blow away. And this is my, there goes the camera. Pattern projected in little dots. During an eclipse, those round dots, those projections of the sun will become crescent shaped. So you can take a picture of that and have a nice memory of the total solar eclipse. A photo of and have